Welcome to our in-depth discussion on how to transition from being an employee to a consultant. If you're over 50 and looking for ways to leverage your career experience into a less physically demanding role, you're in the right place. Consulting can offer flexibility, financial rewards, and the opportunity to share your expertise while making life a bit easier. This is especially valuable if you've been in a physically demanding job and are looking to ease into retirement or simply reduce the physical strain of your work. Many of us have spent decades building valuable skills and knowledge in our respective fields. Whether you've been in management, healthcare, education, manufacturing, or any other industry, your experience is a goldmine that others can benefit from. Consulting allows you to turn that expertise into a service you can offer to businesses or individuals. Let's explore how you can make this transition successfully, step by step. Step 1. Identify your niche. Start by reflecting on your career. What are your key strengths and areas of expertise? Consider the problems you've solved and the unique insights you've gained. This will help you identify your consulting niche. For example, if you've been in project management, you might offer services in process optimization or team leadership. If you've worked in manufacturing, you could consult on lean processes or quality control. Those from the healthcare sector might consider consulting on patient care improvement or healthcare technology implementation. Take some time to list out your skills, experiences, and the challenges you've overcome in your career. Look for patterns and areas where you've consistently excelled. These are likely to be the areas where you can provide the most value as a consultant. Step 2. Research your market. Once you've identified your potential niche, it's time to research the market. Are there businesses or individuals who need your expertise? What are the current trends in your industry? Are there any gaps in the market that you could fill? Use online resources, industry publications, and your professional network to gather this information. You might discover that there's a high demand for consultants with your specific skill set, or you might find that you need to adjust your focus slightly to meet market needs. Step 3. Build your brand. As a consultant, you are your brand. Creating a strong personal brand is crucial for attracting clients and establishing yourself as an expert in your field. Here's how to get started. 1. Create a professional website. Your website should clearly communicate your services, expertise, and the value you offer to clients. 1. Include an About Me page that highlights your experience and qualifications. 2. Develop a strong LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professional networking. 2. Ensure your profile is complete and showcases your expertise. 2. Share relevant content and engage with others in your industry. 3. Consider creating content. Writing blog posts, articles, or even a book can help establish you as a thought leader in your field. 3. Share your insights and experiences to demonstrate your expertise. 4. Gather testimonials. If possible, get testimonials from former colleagues or clients who can speak to your skills and the value you provide. Remember, your brand should reflect not just your professional skills, but also your personality and values. Authenticity is key in building trust with potential clients. Step 4. Network and market yourself. Networking is crucial for finding clients and establishing yourself as an expert. Here are some strategies to consider. 1. Leverage your existing network. Reach out to former colleagues, clients, and industry contacts. 1. Let them know about your new consulting venture and ask if they know anyone who might need your services. 2. Attend industry events. Conferences, seminars, and workshops are great places to meet potential clients and stay up to date with industry trends. 3. Join professional associations. Many industries have professional associations that offer networking opportunities and resources for consultants. 4. Utilize social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Facebook can be powerful tools for connecting with potential clients and sharing your expertise. 5. Consider speaking engagements. Offering to speak at industry events or local business groups can help raise your profile and demonstrate your expertise. Remember, networking isn't just about selling your services. Focus on building genuine relationships and providing value to others. Step 5. Set your rates and services. Determining what services you'll offer and how you'll price them is a crucial step in establishing your consulting business. Here are some factors to consider. 1. Research market rates. Look into what other consultants in your field are charging. 1. This will give you a baseline to work from. 2. Consider your experience and expertise. If you have decades of experience or specialized knowledge, you can often command higher rates. 3. Factor in your costs. Remember to account for expenses like insurance, software subscriptions, and travel when setting your rates. 4. Decide on your pricing structure. Will you charge by the hour, by the project, or offer retainer agreements for ongoing work? 4. Each has its pros and cons. 5. Create service packages. Consider offering different levels of service to cater to various client needs and budgets. It's okay to start with lower rates as you build your reputation and then increase them as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Step 6. Start small and grow. Beginning your consulting career doesn't mean you have to quit your day job immediately. Consider starting small. 1. Take on a few projects on the side while maintaining your current job. 2. Offer pro bono work to build your portfolio and gain experience. 3. Partner with other consultants on larger projects to learn the ropes. This approach allows you to gain experience and build confidence without taking on too much risk initially. As you become more established, you can gradually transition to full-time consulting. Step 7. Deliver exceptional value. The key to long-term success as a consultant is delivering exceptional value to your clients. Here's how. 1. Listen carefully to your clients' needs and challenges. 2. Provide tailored solutions rather than one-size-fits-all approaches. 3. Be responsive and communicate clearly throughout the project. 4. Go above and beyond to exceed expectations. 5. Follow up after the project to ensure client satisfaction. Remember, satisfied clients are more likely to provide referrals and become repeat customers. Step 8. Continuously learn and adapt. The business world is constantly evolving, and successful consultants need to stay ahead of the curve. Make continuous learning a priority. 1. Stay up to date with industry trends and new technologies. 2. Attend workshops and training sessions to expand your skills. 3. Read industry publications and thought leadership content. 4. Be open to feedback and always look for ways to improve your services. Conclusion. Transitioning from employee to consultant can be an exciting journey that offers flexibility and new opportunities. By leveraging your career experience, you can create a fulfilling role that suits your lifestyle while continuing to make a meaningful impact. Remember, it's never too late to reinvent yourself and pursue new paths. Your years of experience are a valuable asset, and consulting allows you to share that knowledge while potentially reducing physical strain and creating a more flexible lifestyle. Whether you're looking to ease into retirement, supplement your income, or completely change your career path, consulting can offer a rewarding way to leverage your expertise. With careful planning, dedication, and a focus on delivering value, you can build a successful consulting career that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with consulting, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on thriving in your golden years. Until next time, here's to your success as a consultant.